Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Fitbit fitness tracker to your iPhone for health tracking and notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone and install it. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and create a new account by tapping Sign Up or Log In if you already have a Fitbit account. Step 3. After logging in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the app. Step 4. Select Set up a device and choose your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to prepare your Fitbit for pairing. Step 6. Ensure your Fitbit is charged and nearby your iPhone. The app will search for your device. Step 7. When your Fitbit appears on screen, tap on it to initiate pairing. You may need to enter a pairing code displayed on your Fitbit. Step 8. Complete the setup by entering personal information like height, weight, and fitness goals. Enable Bluetooth and notifications permissions when prompted. Your Fitbit will now sync automatically with your iPhone to track your activity and health data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.